So in this realtor.com tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to view houses for rent here on the realtor.com application. So the first thing you have to do is open up realtor.com. Once that is done, first go to the top here and then select the city or the region that you're looking to view houses for rent in, or you can also just go to the map view right here, just zoom out and then zoom into an area of your choosing. So if we wanted to go to Vancouver in Canada over here, we'll just zoom in a little bit further to the Vancouver area, or I guess in this case, more so the Seattle, Washington area for this demonstration. Now, if you want to view houses for rent as opposed to houses for buy, go to the filters tab in the top left right here, press on filters, then where it says buy, rent, and just sold, press on rent right here. You can change the filters that you're looking for, or just go to the bottom right, press on see homes right here, and then the blue dots right here are the homes for rent. So super simple, super straightforward, but this is how to view houses for rent here on the realtor.com application. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.